Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best pickleball paddles. That will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Struggling to control your shots on the pickleball court? Do your dinks float too high or your resets lack precision? If power isn't your problem, but consistency is, then you might be using the wrong paddle. Meet the Selkirk LUXX Control Pickleball Paddle, Invicta Shape, a premium carbon fiber paddle designed for ultimate control and feel. This paddle is built with a carbon fiber face, giving you a soft, responsive touch for accurate shot placement. Inside, it features the X7 polypropylene core, which enhances vibration dampening and improves control during longer rallies. The InfiniGrid surface technology adds extra spin potential, helping you shape your shots with precision. Its Invicta elongated shape offers extended reach and more power on ground strokes, while still maintaining control. And with a 4¼ inch grip, it provides a comfortable hold for both intermediate and advanced players. Pros: exceptional control and touch, great spin capability, high-quality carbon fiber construction, extended reach with elongated design. Cons: expensive compared to many paddles, less power-focused, may not suit aggressive hitters. Slight learning curve for beginners. This paddle is perfect for intermediate players who prioritize control, precision, and spin. If you love playing a soft game with dinks, drops, and resets, this is a fantastic choice. Not ideal for beginners or players who rely heavily on raw power. At $279.99, it's definitely a premium paddle. But if control and consistency are your top priorities, it delivers excellent value for serious players. Number 4. Introducing the Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle, an affordable, all-around paddle designed for players of all skill levels. This paddle features a fiberglass hitting surface, which provides a nice balance of power and control, great for beginners learning the game. The polypropylene honeycomb core helps reduce vibration, giving you a softer feel and better consistency on contact. Its graphite frame construction adds durability while keeping the paddle lightweight and easy to handle. With a 4¼ inch grip size, it offers a comfortable and secure hold for most players. The paddle's wide body shape increases the sweet spot, making it more forgiving on off-center hits. Pros: budget-friendly price, large sweet spot for easy play, good balance of power and control, lightweight and beginner-friendly. Cons: not ideal for advanced or competitive players. Less spin compared to carbon fiber paddles. Basic materials compared to premium models. This paddle is perfect for beginners and casual players who want a reliable and easy-to-use option. It's also great for recreational games or anyone just getting started with pickleball. Not the best choice if you're an advanced player looking for high spin or pro-level performance. At $49.95, it offers excellent value for money. A solid entry-level paddle that won't break the bank while still delivering a fun playing experience. Number 3. Introducing the Selkirk Vanguard Power RS2, a high-performance paddle engineered for explosive power and precision control. This paddle is built with a hybrid face combining carbon fiber and fiberglass, delivering a powerful pop while still maintaining control. It features 360 degrees proto-molding technology, which enhances structural strength and creates a more consistent feel across the entire paddle surface. The flex foam perimeter expands the sweet spot and absorbs vibrations, giving you better stability and smoother shots. Its S2 wide body shape offers a larger hitting surface, improving control and forgiveness, especially during fast exchanges. Weighing around 8.1 ounces, it sits in the mid-weight range, providing a great balance between power and maneuverability. And the 4¼ inch grip ensures comfort and control during long matches. Pros: excellent power with controlled feel, large sweet spot and forgiving design, advanced technology for stability and consistency, premium build quality. Cons: expensive for casual players, slightly heavier feel for beginners, power-focused, may reduce finesse for soft game players. This paddle is ideal for advanced players who want to dominate with power while still maintaining control. Perfect for aggressive playstyles, fast drives, and competitive matches. Not recommended for beginners or players who prefer a soft, control-only game. At $206.85, it sits in the premium range. But for serious players looking for top-tier power, durability, and advanced tech, it offers strong value and performance. Number 2. Introducing the Onix Graphite Mod Z5 Pickleball Paddle, a popular, well-balanced paddle known for its control, touch, and beginner-friendly performance. This paddle features a graphite face, delivering excellent control and quick response for precise shot placement. Inside, it uses a polypropylene honeycomb core, which helps reduce vibration and provides a softer, more consistent feel. The wide body shape increases the sweet spot, making it more forgiving on off-center hits, perfect for improving accuracy. It weighs around 0.49 pounds, offering a nice balance between stability and maneuverability during fast rallies. The cushion comfort grip adds extra comfort, reducing hand fatigue during longer matches. With a 4¼ inch grip size, it fits comfortably in most players' hands. Pros: excellent control and touch. Large sweet spot for forgiveness. Comfortable grip for long play. Great reputation and consistency. Cons: less power compared to fiberglass paddles. Spin potential is average. Design is more basic than premium paddles. This paddle is perfect for beginners to intermediate players looking for control and consistency. It's also a great choice for players who prefer a balanced, all-around game rather than pure power. Not ideal for advanced players seeking maximum spin or aggressive power shots. At $66.06, it offers excellent value. A reliable, proven paddle that's perfect for improving your game without spending too much. Number 1. Introducing the JOOLA 3S Pickleball Paddle, Perseus 14mm, a pro-level paddle designed with raw carbon fiber for elite spin, control, and performance. This paddle features a raw carbon fiber surface, giving you exceptional spin and precise ball control, perfect for competitive play. The 14mm core thickness provides a quicker response and added power, making your shots feel more explosive. It comes in multiple shapes like Perseus, Hyperion, Scorpius, and Magnus, but the Perseus elongated shape offers extended reach and strong baseline performance. Built with a full carbon fiber construction, it ensures durability while maintaining a lightweight, responsive feel. The aero curve design helps improve swing speed and reduces drag, giving you faster reactions during intense rallies. With a 4¼ inch grip, it's slightly thinner, allowing better wrist action and spin control. Pros: elite level spin and control. Fast, powerful response with 14mm core. Multiple shape options for playstyle preference. Lightweight and aerodynamic design. Cons: premium price point. Thinner grip may not suit everyone. Less forgiving for beginners. This paddle is ideal for intermediate to advanced players who want maximum spin, speed, and precision. Perfect for competitive players who like aggressive shots, quick hands, and controlled power. Not the best option for beginners due to its fast and responsive nature. At $179, it offers strong value in the premium category. Especially for players looking for pro-level performance without going ultra-high-end. Want to upgrade your game with pro-level spin and control? Check the link in the description to grab yours now. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more honest pickleball reviews.